at this. Whoa! Hello and welcome to another new vlog. It is midnight on Friday, February 21st. I put my alarm on at 6:45 so we can wake up on time. Now it has passed 7 hours and the sun will rise in about 20 minutes. We are currently preparing ourselves. The taxi will come at 7:30 in the morning.
Trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back.
Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. We got to the airport. And we got this. This is the brownie, by the way. See how it's like. Just like cut it. And I'm on one of these chairs. So it's 8:39 a.m. and I got 33%. I'm gonna turn my iPad off. Turn off. An iPad turned off. I'm gonna put my phone on airplane mode. I just finished the brownie. I'm waiting for 2 more guests to come. It's not only 2 of us. Are they here yet? At the
They're at the airport.
Oh, they're at the airport. So they will be coming. So we will be seeing each other in I don't know how long, but they're at the airport. Yeah, it's not only 2 of us this time. And now oh, hello. Oh yeah, we're finally here. So we're like the last ones to get in. It was like the last call for 10 minutes, and they're about to close the gates. We got to get in right the last ones. Like normally we come early, but today we came as the last ones. We got to get in right now, or they'll close if we don't make it. All right, here we get in. There we go. Finally. Oh, we have some others too, so we're not the very last ones. There's some others. Hi, we're about to depart, and boarding is completed. Wow, we were like 13 minutes into boarding. Like we had to run, not to get in, but at least there were still more people after us. Like we kind of were the last ones, but there were still more. Alright, so I'm gonna take a clip of this plane and this vehicle, or some police are sitting. Alright, still the ads going on with this pre-departure thing. I don't know. Oh yeah, that must be from the App Store, so yeah, we can even download those. Apparently, oh there we go, now everything turned on. Now everything turned on, that's funny. And right now, looks like there's another plane coming. Looks like we'll be joining them. Yeah, we have already started moving. It is 9:49. And, oh, this guy hasn't moved. Yeah, I thought we were going to go together with this guy. But no. Let's check that out.
It's a historical ancient place.
Oh wait. Yeah, nice. I really like these places. Anything else really fascinating?
It's the most antique, it's the most ancient site ever found.
The most ancient site.
Yeah.
I wonder how many years it's been.
Around 9,000.
9,000.
12,000.
12,000, that's a lot.
12,000.
That's even more than how I thought at first. At first it was 9,000, then it became 12,000. Well, alright then, let's go on with the flight. We entered the room, you guys. We have entered. And I'm checking out the magazines. There's like this one going to holding a there's this one holding a trophy going to skiing. And this one was from 2017 to 18. So that was from 2 winters ago. They didn't have, I'm not sure about this one though. I guess this was also from the same time, but It looks like this is a guide around magazine, but they have 2 magazines around here. So this should be fun to check. Oh, they have around other cities too. This is really good. And they have around museums, not only hotels, not only snow slopes, but museums too, especially around the city. I'm gonna check out the balcony. It is extremely cold and everywhere is snow. Even some ice. So I'm gonna get this icicle. I hope I can. Yes, I did. I'm gonna break it onto this. So I'm gonna just smash it up. Whoa! Oh, cool! All right, let's check out the roads, shall we? Apparently there is just one car, and there's some ski lifts. This is really nice. And already there are some people on this ski lifts having a skiing lesson. I don't know how long a ski lesson is in this hotel. I have no clue. First of all, we're only gonna have one ski session.
A few moments later.
So we just rented some skis, and I checked the pull-out, but I used the wrong elevator. I came to the right floor, but I used the wrong elevator. I'm trying to get back to my room right now. I mean, there's 6 elevators per floor. 3 of them take you to one place, which is the right place for your room if you're trying to locate your room. And this is the wrong one. I was supposed to take the one at the other side, but I took this one. So I'm gonna have to change the elevator I take. Oh, there we are. There's a kid's playground here too. I don't even know why I'm here. Ooh, this blue ball. It went out. I'm gonna chuck it in. Here we go. Look at this. It has turned into a blizzard outside. And because of the oh my god. Whoa. What a whoa I have to say to this. It's very difficult now to be watching my mom while she's skiing. First of all, the wind doesn't let me. No, it doesn't seem. I can't even see the skiing machines, or I can very hardly see the ski machines because of the visibility. What a low visibility we have right now. So I can't see anything from the ski equipments, not even the moving chairs that lift you up the sky. It is very hard to see that too. And it's really icy out there. I guess this is just a cupboard to... No, it is not. It is not just a cupboard. Aha! I'll just grab some ice and let's see what will happen to it. Ooh, look at that ice. Look at that ice, you guys. Let's see what am I gonna do with this ice. So I'm gonna drop it on the floor and let's see what happens to that ice. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1! Wow, it fell in the snow. Okay, so now we're gonna get another ice. Maybe this one will do. Well, let's crash it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! How about this? Whoa! How about this? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my god! Look at that blizzard, you guys. The bell is even shaking around while it's happening, and the flag's so suddenly moving. Oh wow. That bell just continues shaking and shaking as it chimes as the wind blows through. You know, I haven't even bought gloves, so that's a problem. I'm gonna throw this at this. Whoa! Oh, I know. I got this to throw, and I'm gonna throw it. Ready, set. Ah, that didn't work. Alright, well, never mind. It is getting really strongly windy, and it is continuing to snow, and it is hitting my face time to time. It's like getting spiked. Wow. Well, yeah, I have to get back inside right now. It's starting to hit my face, and that kind of hurts. So I'm just gonna get back inside the hotel, and reception That was absolutely insane, you guys. Now, after all that, I'm gonna go spa and I'm gonna go to the fitness center and just refresh myself. I have just gone in the spa and I'm about to go swimming. Funny thing, I haven't brought with me a cap, and they require caps from everyone. Gonna go inside. Whoa, got in. Oh wow, it's warm in this pool. Oh wow. So my mom is at skiing at the moment, and this is what I'd rather feel after all those times I was just wandering around outside, then getting hit by all the sleet that was blizzarding around. As I just said, that's not a swimming cap, so let's see how I'll dip my head underwater. There we go. That's it. It's nice. They have these red cones right here. I don't know what exactly they put it for, but I guess they are doing a construction or something somewhere around. Did you guys know that there's like a jacuzzi pool? It's around right here. And it should be like a jacuzzi, but sadly there's no water in it, so we can't go in. It should be though. There should be some water in it, or they are making a jacuzzi. Like maybe in 1 year it might turn into a jacuzzi if we come here again for a next time, because I think they are preparing a jacuzzi here. Not only is it behind these cones, but it's also behind some other chairs, but I will show you guys soon about that. So, and by the way, we couldn't get to lunch on time. It was already 1:50, and we decided to get some room service, which thoughtfully would be a better idea. Look at what they have here. Doesn't that feel fun? They have rails. And I'm gonna hold on to one of them. Whoa ho ho! I'm gonna hold on. Oh, okay, yeah, it's a bit hard right now. Alright guys, now I'll show you. This is just some stairs, and you see there's absolutely nothing in there except for this equipment. Well, I'm talking about nothing in terms of water. There's no water in it yet, so that means they are preparing a jacuzzi. I'll ask them, because I wonder why there's no water. I'll just ask them and they'll try and tell us. Hopefully I'll get some information about this. I'm in the steam room right now, and it is extremely hard to breathe in here. Look at the temperature. Like, even if I breathe, it just gets in. This room is filled with so much carbon dioxide. Like, I'm gonna die in 10 minutes. Can you actually see that? You can hear the noise too. Like, if I even touch this, I'll be a skeleton. I just got out of the spa, and right now, whoa, it is pretty dark in here, but it is the game place. It can play a bunch of games. Yeah, you can't see anything. Wow. Mysterious here. And right next is the kids park, the indoor kids playground, which is a small playground, but it is still a playground. So yeah, even I feel like this is a very dark spot. I'll show you here, and I'll show you here. I guess it's open during the evening times. Alright, going back up to my room, and it's gonna be a good swim. Oh, you know, this thing blinks time to time. Doesn't right now, but I guess it's gonna come back up soon. No, it didn't. Alright. It's a Schindler elevator. Guys, now that the dark is coming, it is absolutely freezing outside. Look at these. These icicles have once again formed all together. Whoa. Now the snow has climbed up a bit more in some zones as the wind continues to blow and blow. It is a bit ridiculous. What if the snow accumulates up all the way until that light. It is already 7 o'clock. Faria and my mom are at the massage. Well, I'm gonna go to dinner by myself. And then we are gonna just end the day there. We've been getting up early. I've been doing active stuff. We didn't get a lot of sleep. And tomorrow we have booked a skiing session, which we have scheduled it for 9:45. The buses will arrive. And at 9:45 we have to be there and they will take us. And the lesson will last for 1 hour. And then probably after that 1 hour, me and my mom might do some skiing together for fun. And then that's it. That's it with the skiing. Only one session. Uno. Just uno. Solo. Absolutely ridiculous. Look at all that's blowing. If I was in there, then I'd get blown away by now. I would have been in heaven. Guys, it is very hard to imagine, but check this out. The snow accumulation has almost entirely took this lamp. It is still shining, but it is accumulating even more, and it's just hard to describe in words. I have no words. The visibility is almost zero, and we can hardly see what it says there. It says Magra Pivot right over there. I mean, it's very hard to read when you're looking at this screen. I can tell what it says, Magra Pivot, but for you guys it is pretty hard. And yeah, I'm enjoying this, you guys. It feels like a glacier here when these icicles come up. Like, imagine glaciers come up right on the roof. I mean, I don't know if glaciers will come up, but I do have a feeling that they might. I just cooled myself down so much this evening. But guys, let's go to dinner! Okay, here we go. Wait for it to open. Let's go L. And there we go down to L. L is for lobby. We're going to the lobby floor. Yeah, now that the light is on, this light, you know, that one doesn't go on. Like, just when it's off, this one goes on, or maybe it is already darkened, that's why. But anyway, let's put that aside. So, here we go. We go to dinner. Oh, wow. I wonder what this place is. I'll check that out. Yeah. The shop. And gold bears. Wow. We got some shorts. They got 2 swimming caps. Oh, 5 actually. 2 for junior, 3 for the olders. Some swimming suits. There's 2. I'm not even... Oh, this might be a swimming suit, I guess. Hi, I'm gonna get out of here. And... yeah. Alright. I am at the reading zone. But I'm not gonna read any books. These are just some random books. At the reading zone... I wonder if it's gonna get to that reading zone. I wish they lit up this fire. Ah. Alright, so they have a book about 2014. And let's see, I guess this is just a book about how this hotel was. I'm gonna check it out. Ah. Whoa. Someone got fined so much. And they had an interview. But yeah. This is just a book about 2014 at this hotel. I just came to the 3rd floor. And there are some king suites at the 3rd floor. You see, it says king suite with a lion on it. Alright, we're gonna get back down. We're gonna get back down. Call the elevator. Set 3. Go 2. Just had dinner. It was a really good time to spend. For dessert, I had one of those funny green cakes. I don't know why it's green. It must be like an Italian cake. But it's, for some reason, it was like emerald color. And there we go in. Back in the room. I still hear the wind. There's no electricity. Get inside, get inside. Well, anyway, guys, that ends it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the vlog for tomorrow. And have a nice weekend, you guys. Bye.